Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have a big dinosaur with a big cow with a lots of other jungle animals. So let's start the video. Our first animal is the barking animal dog. Dogs are the most popular pet on the planet. Dog noses are at least 40x more sensitive than ours. Second animal is the cutest animal, sheep. Sheep have a field of vision of around 300 degrees, allowing them to see behind themselves without having to turn their head. And next animal is gorilla. Gorillas are very social animals who live together in groups. Gorillas can weigh over 200 kg and stand as tall as an average human. And the next animal is dolphin. Dolphins can be found all over the world and in different environments. Wow! Our next animal is crab. Crabs can walk in all directions but mostly walk and run sideways. Crabs are decapods, meaning they have 10 legs. Female crabs can release 1000 to 2000 eggs at once. It's unbelievable. And next animal is elephant. You can tell the three species apart by their ears. And the next animal is sperm whale. Sperm whales have the largest brain of any living animal, weighing up to 4.2 kg, 9.2 lbs. And the next animal is the beautiful animal cow. A baby whale is called a calf, a female whale is called a cow, and a male whale is called a bull. Whales live a long time. And the next animal is lobster. The minimum legal size of a lobster is 3 inches from the eye socket to the end of the body shell. And the next animal is the water animal shark. They can be weird and wonderful. And the next animal is the cute animal bear. Bears are good at climbing and swimming. They have a large brain which makes them very intelligent. Bears are usually shy and easily frightened of humans. And the next animal is the long-necked animal camel. The most expensive camel sold for $53 million. There are 160 words for camel in Arabic. And the next animal is horse. Foals can walk and run within a few hours after birth. Horses are highly intelligent animals. And next animal is whale. All toothed whales have a melon in their foreheads. Some whales bubble net feed. And the next animal is reindeer. Their sense of sight and hearing are not brilliant, relying mainly on their sense of smell. And the next animal is the cute animal goat. They are extremely intelligent and curious and are very often not given credit for being the smart and loving creatures they actually are. And the next animal is hammerhead fish. Hammerhead sharks do not lay eggs like most other fish. They instead give birth to live young. Their babies are called pups. Young hammerhead sharks can swim as soon as they are born. And next animal is lion. Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, but one small population exists elsewhere. And the next animal is cow. It has been proven that if you get to know cows and name them, They will produce more milk for you like dogs. They love a good rub down. And the next animal is camel. Camel milk is incredibly nutritious. Camels store water in their blood. And next animal is whale. There used to be thousands of blue whales. Whales are often caught in nets. And our second last animal is giraffe. Long giraffe necks are excellent lookouts. Giraffes are pretty guzzlers. Giraffes are greedy guzzlers. And our last animal is Ostrosaurus. Ostrosaurus was considered a cetiosauride like Patagosaurus and Shunosaurus. Hocknell at 2009 described the new sauropod Wintonatian from material that originally assigned to Ostrosaurus by Combs and Molnar in 1981.